Your starstruck journey ends tonight. Mula sa combined scores ng ating online votes at ng ating judges, ito ang naging basihan ng ating tanggalan ngayon. Ang magpapaalam ngayong gabi ay si James Teng. Kevin, congratulations. You are safe.
James, maraming salamat for joining Starstruck. And of course, bago ka tuluyang magpaalam, James, ano ang nais mong sabihin sa inyong mga taga-suporta?
Unang-una po, gusto ko lang po mag-sorry sa lahat ng director or staff na may sumamang loob sa akin sa pagiging pasaway ko. Gusto ko lang mag-sorry and gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng director, lalo na sa Starstruck. No talent akong sumali dito, pero ngayon, gusto kong ipagmalaki na yung talent ko sobrang nag-improve. And thank you sa Starstruck. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, James. I just want to let you know that your Starstruck journey does not totally end here. Your dreams will continue, all right?
You gave a good fight, James.
You gave a good fight.
Now, you may take your final bow. Maraming salamat, James. James Teng.